Hello friends, welcome to Tassel Tuesday. Tassel Tuesday is an open collaboration, so if you would ever like to join in, please feel free to do so. Use the hashtag Tassel Tuesday and let me know that you're going to be making a video, and that way I will not miss it. I'll go over, I'll check it out, I'll love it, I'll hit the like button, and I will add you to my description box. Speaking of, check out all of the other Tassel Tuesday collaborators. If you go to my description box, you will see them all listed there. I always have the previous week's list, and then throughout the day, I add the new ones for the new week. Not everybody puts them up at the same time, which is perfectly fine. So I just add them throughout the day when I have a chance. So anyway, welcome. If you are new, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you spending some time with me. And maybe if you have never made a tassel, maybe you'll want to do that sometime. So I'm making 2 fall tassels today, and one will be listed in my Etsy shop, and the other, I think we need to celebrate our 50th Tassel Tuesday. Guys, this is number 50, and to celebrate, I am going to go ahead and give away one of these tassels. I think this is a great occasion to do that, and they're ready for fall. You can use these tassels for decoration in your house. You can use them on a junk journal. You can embellish a gift box or bag for somebody. You can use these tassels for a whole lot of different things. So if you'd like one, let me know just in the description box. I'm sorry, not in the description box, in the comment section. Just say yes, I'd love to enter. And after we make these, I'll decide which tassel is going up for sale and which tassel I'll be giving away. All right, friends, I made 2 tassels today. Now, the fibers are exactly the same. Same number of fibers, same fabric, all that good stuff. But the little, gems and goodies and dangles, that's different. So let me show you. At least I'm gonna get this twisted around right. Might have to, let's see. So let me show you what we've got. On this tassel, we've got the 2 leaves and then a nice long bead dangle in fall colors. And then I'm gonna spread this out so you guys can see everything as I pick through it. So then we've got some bead dangles throughout, and I'll just show them to you. I won't tell you about every single one. I'll just pick them up and show you. And then the other thing I added was some nice wooden beads, and you will see those in, there are 3 different colors. There's a dark brown, there's a cream colored, and then a medium brown. This is a beautiful bead dangle with a nice shiny glass bead. Whoops, one of my eye pins was in there. Oh, but look at this pretty bead dangle, so beautiful. I love this glass bead on there, so shiny. And so that's this tassel. Now let me show you the next one. And friends, these tassels, one is gonna be for our 50th Tassel Tuesday video celebration. I'm gonna do a giveaway. And then the other one I will list in my Etsy shop. All right, so let me show you the bead dangles on here. Also on this one, the front is different, and this is made out of some sort of nut or something. I'm not really sure, but it's real. It's like a seed, or I guess it's a seed, and it's pretty fascinating. And it was a bracelet that I refashioned into a thing for my tassel. So this one, it's got just a few of the bead dangles, but mostly it has, I used a lot more of these fun chunky beads on here. And actually, yeah, and here's another one. So the ones, these I put near the front, and then the beads I have going throughout. So I'll take a few pictures of these hanging, and I'm thinking I will sell this one, and I think we'll do this one in our giveaway. I think it's really unique, and so we'll do that in our 50th Tassel Tuesday giveaway. So if you'd like to be entered into the giveaway today and you'd like to win this nice fall tassel, then just let me know in the comment section that you would like to enter, okay? And then I will, I'll pull a winner this week. Okay, stay tuned for pictures. Thanks for watching. See you soon.